This is a northern bandicoot. It's licking honey from the tree. The honey's been smeared over an area of the trunk that's been scarred. It looks like a female bandicoot. Can you see the pouch? Looks like she's got some young in there. You can see the scarring on the trunk of the tree here. It's a little bit clearer to see. A sugar glider. Those folds of skin along its side stretch right out and help it to glide. Very, very sensitive and quick to move if they think there's danger. Very alert. They'd be food for pythons or owls. This is a type of cicada called a greengrocer. That's a striped possum just up in the tree. It came about 9 o'clock at night, but it actually never came down. See how far from the forest floor it is? Way up in the canopy, very, very shy. It wants the honey, but it's not too sure about coming down. This is the view from the nighttime wildlife viewing platform. The striped possum's having a scratch. This is another striped possum that did decide to come down. Still pretty alert and a little bit wary, but the honey was too much of a lure. Look at that tail, the tail control. There was about 6 or 7 people on the viewing platform watching this possum, and we were all super, super quiet. But if there was one tiny, tiny noise, stop licking honey and look up. Everything's safe, so I'll go back to the honey. It's making its way down the tree trunk. The honey stripped down the scarred part of the trunk and pulled down at the base there. That white patch of fur is the end of the striped possum's tail. After its little honey feast, it's heading back up the tree trunk. It's a close-up of the striped possum. Look at its little tongue. They're all such agile little climbers. The sugar gliders come back. So fast. Having a quick check to make sure all of us on the viewing platform are still a safe distance away. At 11 o'clock, the viewing platform lights were turned off and the show was over. Hope you enjoyed the show. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.